What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you guys know, the Miata is finally gone. We managed to find that car a new home, but now I need a new car for the channel, guys. So yeah, I'm about to head over there right now. It's about a half-hour drive, but the car is sold at a really good price, and it's a really nice car in my opinion. I don't know if I'm going to reveal the car to you guys in the title, but it is a really nice car. It's Japanese, a coupe, 5-speed manual, and it's a 2005, so it's actually a pretty good year. So yeah, you guys sit back, relax, and I'm gonna take you along for the ride. But first, we do have to make a quick stop. I'm gonna pick up my cousin because he's gonna help me drive the cars back in case this deal does go through. I'm really excited, guys. This is always my favorite part about the channel, is finding new cars to bring new content. I mean, it's exciting. This car looks really clean in the pictures, guys. Let's hope that it's as clean as it looks. So I just got to the spot where I'm gonna pick up my cousin. So now I'm gonna just wait for him to pull up, and then we're gonna go look at that car. Alright guys, he just got here right now.
Goodies.
Hey, what's up, bud? So we just got here, guys. I'm really excited. So far the car looks good, but I ain't gonna show you yet.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
So the deal went through, guys. I'm in a brand new car right now, and I gotta say, guys, it's a really fun car to drive. I'm so happy I have this car right now. I can't stop smiling. Luckily, the car did look as good as it did in the pictures. There's a few scratches on the rear bumper, but besides that, the car looks perfect. The car does need some work, but it's nothing major. It's more cosmetic things, like give the car a full polish, clean the engine bay again, and the rims maybe. All I know, guys, is that I'm super pumped and I'm so happy I have this car right now. I'll show you guys the interior a little bit. I want to show you guys the steering wheel, just so it's a surprise until the end. These seats are actually pretty comfortable too, guys. They just need to be cleaned. So I just got to the house, guys. I'm so excited to show you guys this car. But before I can show you guys the car, I'm going to take you guys to a better spot where we get better lighting. So I present to you the new car, guys. So this car, guys, is a 2005 Acura RSX. You guys can see for yourself that the car is in really good condition. The headlights are super foggy, and if you guys come closer to the car, the paint is pretty messed up and dirty. But that's not a big deal, guys. That's nothing that a full detail and a full body wax can't fix. And as for these headlights, guys, I'll try to clean them, and if that doesn't work, then I'll go ahead and buy some sandpaper and some clear coat and try to restore them. As for the interior, guys, the interior is pretty taken care of. The only issues I have with it is that the seats are super dirty once again. The boot for the stick shift is pretty messed up. And the passenger side seat is pretty torn up right here where the zipper is. But overall, it's pretty clean in the interior. These seats are super cozy, guys. The car also comes with a manual transmission. I think that's what makes this car super fun to drive. And if you guys look, this car only has 96,000 miles on it. One thing I also really like about this car is the trunk space. There is a lot of space back here and it's super clean. I also like how it opens up. Sheesh! The previous owner also put an aftermarket exhaust on it, so it does have a really nice sound to it. I'll show you guys that in a bit. And now for the engine, guys. In my opinion, this is going to be the funnest part of the car to work on, and you guys will see right now. Just take a look at how dirty this engine bay is. This car looks like it hasn't been maintained in a long time. But even though it looks like it hasn't been maintained that well, you already know these cars are super reliable, and when I drive it, it seems like it's running perfect. So this, I believe, is a 2-liter inline 4. It is a pretty powerful engine. If this had a turbocharger, I think it'd be faster than the Mitsubishi I had. Just on the drive home, I could feel the power this car had. It does have potential, to be honest. But enough messing around, guys. Let me start it up for you. Everything sounds like it should. I love it, guys. This car sounds like a proper race car. car is so loud, guys. So this is what the spaceship looks like at night. This car is so loud, guys, you can hear it throughout the whole neighborhood. Alright guys, I'm about to do a first gear pull right here. Sheesh. It's a good looking car, guys. Sheesh. I'm really happy with this purchase. I'm already having a lot of fun with this car in just the day that I've owned it. Wow, guys, I just can't stop looking at it. Look how nice it is. And I don't know if you guys could hear it, but this car sounds pretty nice on the road. Let's get out of here real quick and then we'll film a proper outro real quick. Personally, guys, I think this camera isn't doing the sound of the car justice. I need to mount a GoPro in the back or something because it sounds pretty great. Like, it literally reminds me of a car from Fast and the Furious. That's literally how it sounds. If you guys enjoyed this video and if you guys enjoyed the Acura RSX, please leave this video a like. And also be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to stay up to date on the Acura and if you want to stay up to date on my content. And if you guys haven't seen my previous videos where I bought the Mitsubishi GST or the Miata, go check those out. I'll leave them in the link below. But yeah, guys, that's going to be a wrap on today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed the new car. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. Peace.